Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. So everyone is here, or should we wait for few more minutes? Oh, I can see around 11 students have joined. Okay. Okay, we'll start. Maybe we'll spend few more minutes to introduce each other. I think you might be interacting with each other. But for me, I just want to know each one of you very quickly. And after that, we can start our session. So I'll start from myself. My name is Dr. Sunil Londe. I'm having around 25 years of the professional experience in geoinformatics. So presently, I'm based in Pune and working with one of the fertilizer company in R&D department. So I have worked on various projects related to remote sensing, GIS, soils, agriculture, land degradation, etc. etc. So I request each one of you quickly introduce you. Basically, what I want to know from each of you, uh, whether you are using any of the GIS software or not. So that level I want to know so that I can decide the flow of the sessions based on that. So please go one by one. If possible, you can switch on your camera. If not, no problem. So just quickly introduce so that we can start the session.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good
Am I
morning.
audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
My name is Abhimanyu Arora, and I work as a deputy director in the Census Department, Registrar General of India. And I have been, I am a demographer and an economist, but I have had some prior exposure to GIS, but not in depth. I have used ArcGIS,
Oh,
QGIS at some point, let's say 10, 15 years ago, but yeah, it has been some time since I
fine, fine. Yes, next please.
Uh, Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Myself, Ayushi Rai. I've completed my graduation in sustainable urbanism from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Delhi, and that is when I've there was a course of GIS, and we have used QGIS mainly for
Hmm.
various stuff. And after that, found interest in GIS and remote sensing. That is why I'm pursuing this degree from and looking for opportunities as well, like internship or early job fairs. Yeah.
Okay, so you have used some part of GIS, right?
Yes, sir. QGIS. Like I have
QGIS,
done
fine.
the NDBI, all these analysis and projects that we have done in the coursework.
Okay, very good. Next, please. Come on, switch switch on your microphone and speak.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Akshada Pathak. I am a practicing architect from Pune. I have used QGIS in the past for few of my projects related to urban design. like digitization and site analysis processes. And I'm looking forward to learn more about it.
Okay,
Thank you.
good, good. Thank you. Next one, please. Yeah, who left? Uh, Ria, Ria, Ankit. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, I'm Somkant Sinha, working in Forest Department since 4 years, and we work in QGIS, where we use thematic layers like erosion map, compartment map, and where we use satellites layers and uh, forest cover maps so that we can apply some works on the ground. Yes, sir.
Good, good. Thank you. Next one, please. Yeah, who else left? Jyoti, are you there? Jyoti, Karishma, Minu, Ria. Okay, I think mm, they are not here, or maybe there is some issue. Okay, fine. So still now, most of you, I believe, uh, either using or might have used some of the GIS software. Maybe it can be QGIS or Hillis or ArcGIS or any of the software in the past, or maybe you are using presently also for some of the projects. So this makes our task very easy. So you are already aware about the GIS softwares, maybe some of the facilities you are using. Yeah, please mute all the microphones. There is some disturbance coming in between. Okay, so you have softwares installed on your systems now, or you want to install? Can can someone tell me you have softwares on your system?
Yes, sir. I have.
Everyone is having software. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay, okay. So the today's exercise includes the installation of the software. So which softwares you have on your systems?
Sir, I
Q-
have QGIS.
Okay. And any other software?
Sir, as of now, I have QGIS installed, but I would like to learn more on ArcGIS. Uh,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Okay, but everyone is having QGIS, right?
Sir.
If everyone is having QGIS, then it makes our so everyone is having software installed, whatever version, no problem. But at least you have QGIS installed on your system, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, if any of you is not having the software, we can install uh, and get started right now. Okay, so today I know there are students from the two classes, two courses here. So the exercise for today is the same for both the batches. So we will be getting started with the QGIS, and another exercise what we will be again getting started with one more software, maybe Google Earth. So this will be in the afternoon session. So morning session will go start with the QGIS. So you already have installed the QGIS. So now we will just explore little bit. So you know each and every software, I mean those who are based on GUI, that is graphical user interface, is having some buttons and menus to use the functionality of that particular software. So similarly, your QGIS is also having the same functionalities. There will be some menu bars, some buttons, some toolbars. So that you have in the QGIS also, like other softwares. So please open your QGIS software and open your exercise. That is exercise 2 for MGYL and exercise 7 for MGYL 04 is exercise 2 and MGYL 104 is exercise 7. So you open the exercise and we can go one by one. Instead of I demonstrate from here, you can use your software and we can go one by one. Okay, so open your software. Everyone is ready with software? Yes or no? Okay, 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 fine, Abhimanyu. Okay, you are on QGIS now. So what we want to do now, we this exercise we are not going to do any of the analysis or anything else. We are just trying to understand the software. Some of you are already aware, maybe you are using or in past you might have used. So what now I want to understand you is that the various part of the user interface you got on your screen. Okay, so because why it is necessary, because when you go through the exercise or you want to perform anything, so then uh, you want to know the status bar, so you should know where is the status bar in the your QGIS window, or you want to know the map view, where is the map view in your uh, QGIS user interface. So I want one of you who can explain these features on his screen. Okay, key features. It is there in your notes also. So can anyone can share his screen so that we can all align with these features. Who is going to project his screen?
I can share my
Come
screen.
on. Yeah, yeah, please go ahead. It's a simple exercise, but just I want everyone should be on the same page. Maybe some of you are already using the software. They may get little bored also, but let us hold for some time. This is introductory exercise. So we are getting acquainted with the QGIS software. Yeah, you just go ahead and uh, show the features on the your screen.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yeah, earlier it was visible, your QGIS window. Come to the QGIS window. Yeah, fine. Yeah, you explain what are these features? Where is your menu bar? Where is your title bar? Toolbars, at least main features. So everyone, I believe everyone is having the same window, right? So yeah, come on this QGIS window.
Sorry, I think I just closed it by mistake. I'm just
Okay, no problem.
opening it again.
Open it again.
That is why it is a region for removing salt noise. On the other hand,
So basically, if we import any, so this is the user interface in which this is uh, the the title bar, and these are the different. This is a ribbon for um, uh, the different operations, such as you know, um, I think importing a new
Yeah,
shapefile
yeah,
layer and so on.
yes, yes. Will in each button will go in deep later on. So first you show where is the title bar. Just keep your cursor on title bar on top.
Uh,
Yes, this is the title bar. Okay, then go to the map view. Where is the map view? Where our maps will be displayed. Whatever layer, either vector, raster, image, anything we display, so it will be showed in the map view. Show on the screen map view. Yeah. So this is the map view. So two three windows are there, but you can close it if required. So this is the map view where our all the data will be displayed. Now show the menu bar, main menu bar. Yes. So this, you can see all these buttons, they are on main menu bar, where this main menu bar we will be using very frequently. Okay. Now where is the toolbar? This toolbar, we are using different tools for analysis, performing different type of analysis. So all the tools will be available in our toolbar. So we should know the toolbar. Okay, generally below the menu bar, you can get the all these tools where uh, Abhimanyu is showing. All these tools will be available here. Then come to the extreme left. Extreme left, you will be having map legends. In one right side, you are having map view, and left side window is called as map legend. Abhi, when you show the map legend window, yeah, map legend window. Okay, and then the status bar at the in between these two. You can see the Abhimanyu. Can you show the status bar also? Yeah, status bar. Okay, so these are the main, you can say, these are the key features. There are many features inside this, but this is the main canvas, main features, or you can say key features. So you will be using very frequently all these key features, right? So then each these key feature is having some purpose. We are using for some specific purpose. Okay, so this you have to explore each one of these. Those who are familiar with this software, uh, for them there is no problem. But those who are less familiar or not familiar, you have to explore these features so that you will know its use, right? But I will not pause here. We'll go ahead and we can install some plugins. So I just want to tell you, like, there is a difference. Say someone told me he has used ArcGIS software. Uh, there basically most of the proprietary softwares, they come with a bundle of all the functionalities with it, or they might be having different extensions or different license for that particular functionalities. But the software like QGIS, it's an open source software. So the same concept here you have with plugins. So for example, you want to go for georeferencing, you will be having some plugin. So you want to do some image analysis, there will be some another plugin. So frequently you need to install the plugins. Okay, so uh, we'll do installation of the plugin. So you please open your manuals, and there is a uh, methodology given how to install the plugins. So maybe Abhimanyu, you can now unshare your screen. So I believe everyone is familiar with the software. Yes, anyone is saying something? I heard. Okay, fine. So now we are going to install the plugin. So are you okay, clear why we are installing the plugins? Anyone is having any doubt, please raise your hand, or you can unmute and speak if required. Okay.
Basically, to add extra features in QGIS toolbar.
Yes, yes. Extra features, extra functionalities. So you will having hundreds of plugins in the QGIS, and say at any point of time you can install the plugin, you can uninstall the plugin, because you cannot keep all the 100 plugins installed in one time, not required also. Depend on the purpose of application, you can install that particular plugin, and again if required you can uninstall. So that way the QGIS works. So most of the analysis what we do in the QGIS is plugin based. So just I want to install each one of you a plugin on your QGIS software. So where you will get the this one the plugin installation menu. Do you know where
In the
you will
menu bar.
get? Yeah, in the menu bar you can you will get the plugin installation as well as uninstallation menu. You just uh, go through that menu and install any of the plugin individually. Each one of you has to install the plugin. I'm not putting demo here, you do on yourself. And once you install the plugin, then I will ask one of you to demonstrate installation of the plugin and again uninstallation of the plugin. So it's very easy, but one time you do this exercise, it will be same for all the plugins. So you just install one plugin. You have search option. Also, you can see when you go to the install this plugin installation, you will see the installed plugin. You can see the list which are the plugins they have installed on your software. Again, you can explore. See, many time what happens, you don't know which plugin is required because you are having some rough idea that this plugin might work, or you may know the name of the particular function that I want to do union, I want to have intersection, I want to create vector, I want to do georeferencing. So through the keyword also you can search the plugin, and in that plugin you can get some primary information to know what the plugin is doing. So quickly, each one of you please install at least one plugin. Maybe we can give 2 3 minutes for this, maybe max 5 minutes if someone is doing first time. So in 5 minutes time you just install one plugin. Don't install blindly. You read about the plugin, you explore the rest of the menu options like search and all I told, and then again we'll discuss after 5 minutes. So please, each one of you install the plugin. I believe each one of you is having at least fair internet connection because plugins will require internet connectivity. So you have to go to the plugins, then manage and install plugin. You have to select the plugin, any of the plugins which you want, and you can install it. So depending on the size of plugin and your internet connectivity speed, it will take maybe 1 minute, 2 minutes time.
Sir, may I ask a question?
Yes, yes, please.
Sir, for georeferencing a raster image, I believe there is
Hmm.
one Google GDAL georeference, Google georeferencer, but it seems
Hmm.
that it is not searchable in the when I type in georeferencer, it doesn't appear in the plugin list. There's one freehand georeferencer and georeferencer extension, but there is no Google georeferencer, it seems.
Jidal, you want to say Jidal plugin.
Yeah, GDAL. Yeah.
Okay, we have, I think,
So
separate exercise on georeferencing. We are going to work on georeferencing. Maybe I think uh, next or next to next weekend. But yes, exercise is there, so that time we can explore that.
I meant that if I want to install a plugin for georeferencing for this task that you have given now, so for georeferencer, any freehand georeferencer is also fine, right?
That depends. See, the plugins which are compatible with QGIS, that only we can install. But mostly GDAL functionalities we can call for georeferencing. So you are trying to install GDAL?
Exactly, but it doesn't come under the when I search for GDAL georeferencer, it doesn't appear.
No, you have to go through different route. So it's altogether a separate package. So it will not come through the plugins directly.
I see. Thank you.
I hope my screen is visible. Is it visible?
Yes, sir, it is.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. See, if you want to install or uninstall plugin, you will go here. You can see the plugin menu, and the first one is manage and install plugin. I hope everyone has tried, but still I'm putting demo again, so that uh, because this will be very frequently and routinely used. Now, one of the student was asking where I can see my plugins which I have installed. So you can just use this left hand side buttons like not installed, upgradable, install plugins. So all these plugins are installed in my uh, QGIS software
Actually,
right now.
sir, your window for displaying the plugin is not visible right now. It seems that
Oh,
only that UGS.
wait,
I think we have to select
wait.
entire. This thing.
Yeah. I'll again reshare it. Now it will show. Hope it is visible now. My screen is visible.
Yes, the QGIS interface is visible.
Yeah, yeah. QGIS window should be visible now. If I go to the plugin menu and manage and install the plugin, so this plugin window is now visible.
Yes, now it is visible, sir.
Yeah. So all your plugin works will be available here. You can see these are the installed plugins. So if you want to uninstall any of the plugin, you can just select and uninstall. You can make uninstall. If you want to upgrade the plugins, sometimes certain plugins they see it's in continuous development, so they get upgraded. So you can instead of uninstalling and installing, you can upgrade also. So these are the plugins which I have installed sometime in the past for some work. So you can install any of the plugin. If you don't know the plugin, you can search here in the search box and you can type anything. So it will give you the option. So I am typing the vector. So few letters it has given me. some options. If I want to do something else, so if you type few letters, it will display the options. So when you will use this, you don't know the exact name of the plugin, or you know some keywords in the functionality, that also you can use, and you can type here, so that it will give you the options. Or another thing, like you can go to the all, and you can dig down from here. There are so many plugins, so you don't know which plugin you are supposed to use. You don't know the some keywords from the functionality, so you can click here, and you will get this information of this plugin. All most of the details you can find here, and you can find out which plugin is suitable for your type of application. So each plugin, sufficient information is there, and if you then figure out, okay, this is the right plugin for me, then you go for the installation of the plugin. So plugin menu is clear for everyone, correct? Are you okay with plugin? Yeah, yeah, yeah. There are so many thumbs up. Oh, I was on another screen. Sorry, gentlemen. Okay, so fine. I think so. Fair enough. So still, if anyone thinks that any doubt on the plugin, you can raise. We can discuss here. So we are okay with the plugin, and I think what we will do now. I just want you to explore little bit on the GUI. I mean the QGIS window. So maybe at least key features. Okay. So out of that key features, maybe please explore the status bar. Okay. Now I know. Yeah. Now we know where is the status bar. Huh? Everyone knows where is the status bar. Where is my share screen? Again, I go to the QGIS. Hope my screen is visible. So hope you are having some dummy layer, dummy map, or layer with you. Any layer? I'm just trying to open one layer. Okay. So here is the status bar. Okay, you just understand what it is showing. It is showing here some coordinate, some scale, magnifier. You just explore the key features. So in the key features, you just explore this status bar. Try to change, try to understand what it is. Okay, can you change the scale? If you are changing the scale, what is happening in the layer? Oh, where is my layer? Is okay, because of some coordinate system issue, it has not opened. But open any layer. Okay, so For opening layer, what you will do, you have to go to the menu here. You have to add some layer, and then you have to explore this status bar. I just want you to understand what it is. It has written some coordinate. If I move the cursor, it is changing. So what it is? There is scale. What the scale means? There is magnifier. So you try at least few of these options from the status bar. So automatically you are going to use this main menu. So try this maybe uh, say 5-10 minutes time. Then we move on again on to the next one. Okay, right? So maybe uh, five 5-6 minutes we maybe 10 minutes we can spend, so that each one of you just explore these menus. Some of you are already exploring for some projects, but still we explore these menus so that we will be comfortable. Why? Because we should know where I can, how I can use the main menu, how I can use the other menus which are there on the canvas. At least few you explore, and then we can move on to the next exercise.
Sir, just a small clarification I would request. When we say
Hmm.
title bar, is it the same as the menu toolbar? Because it seems that the one is the menu toolbar, other is the attribute toolbar. When we hover next to that toolbars respectively, so is when we say title bar, is it same as menu toolbar?
No, no, no. Title bar is the topmost where your name of the project is written.
Okay, and then menu toolbar and then attribute toolbar, right?
Yeah, then main menu toolbar where your main buttons, files, and all are there.
Yeah, yeah.
So rest all are also please explore these different key features. This exercise is a little cool. We have limited stuff only, but all are basic. So you are going to use in rest of the exercises in coming time. So we'll hang on for some time on these key features. Julia and Ravindra. Julie Rathod and Ravinder Kaur, are you there? Akash, are you there?
Yes, sir. Good morning. I am there.
Okay, okay. So explore the main menu QGIS. I hope you joined little late.
Yes, sir. I have joined the class too late, so I
Mm,
don't
no
know how.
issue, no issue. You as well as those who join little late, please explore the key menu features, main menus, then your title bars, then scale bar. You just explore that and also install one plugin. Okay.
Sir, from where we can open the QGIS?
Hmm.
From where we can open QGIS?
You have installed software.
Okay, okay.
If you have software installed, just double click its icon. It will open the GUI, QGI GUI, and there you have to explore your different menus like main menu, legend menus, then your scale.
Okay,
Just
okay, sir.
and after that you install one plugin. Go to the plugin menu, install and manage your plugins, and there you install one plugin. I can see there is one more software in MGYL 004, Ilvis. So is it for both the courses or only for 004? Can anyone confirm? It's for both.
So RDS software is proprietary, is it, sir?
No, no, it is open source.
How do
QGIS
we
is
spell
open
it?
source.
No, RDS for raster you were mentioning, which is the other software. RDS for raster,
Yeah,
this thing.
it is for raster operations, mainly for raster operations, but you can do some of the vector also with that.
And is it like RDS Imagine?
Mm, it is like ADAS Imagine only. Mainly the raster functionalities are strong. You have few vector you can operate.
Because I don't see the free version. It seems it is proprietary when I try to Google it. How do we spell it,
Yeah,
sir,
some of
exactly?
Ilvis.
Okay, Ilvis. Okay. Yes, sir. So I downloaded Ilvis. So it has a 31-day trial, I believe. Academic, Ilvis Academic.
Okay, no problem. We can use that also.
Otherwise, which was the other one? Was it one Ilvis? I only saw one academic, this thing. University of Twente, Ilvis 3.3, 3.3.
Okay, it's a single use.
Yes, same single use only. I don't know.
Okay,
How do I check whether it's single use? Because it just asks for a activation key or a trial version. So I chose the trial version, and it told me that you have 31 days left.
okay, because it's trial. But no problem, for time being you can use. There are many versions for this software. It comes in both open source as well as proprietary.
Sir, would it be possible for you to share the 104 material? Because I did not get the hard copy for this particular course, and I'm not able to find the hard copy. For 004 it is available, but for 104 it's not. I don't see it.
No, I think it may not be for you, your course. That's why it is not there. If you require, I can share soft copy.
Yeah, that would be very kind of you, sir. Thank you. I'm not able to find the online material for 104 actually.
Okay, I'll share. No problem. Okay. So I think it's for only one course, but anyway, I will share you the link from where we can download it and we can install it. And then I will again go for the QGIS demo once for those who have joined late. Let me share my screen. Entire screen. Okay. So I'll put the link in the description in the chat. So as this is the open source software, uh, some of its functionalities are still proprietary, but mostly it's an open source. So you can have multiple source to download and install it. Uh, the link is also given in your notes, notes for 004 course. So I this is the official site. Uh, so from where you can download. So I also went through this site and just now downloaded. So this is the page where you can get the latest one. This is screen is visible. I believe, huh? Right? Can you
Screen is
confirm my
visible, sir, but
screen
the
is?
exact yeah, hyperlink is very tiny. The font is something .nl.
Oh, no, I'm just putting this into the chat. Let me see whether it's zooming. Yeah. So anyway, I'll put this into the chat. Close this. Okay, so this is the official site where you can 52 North, where you can get this link. So you can even Google or so you can get it. So I'll put this link into the chat and I'll tell what you have to do. Let me copy and share in the chat. So the link is in chat, so you can open the latest one, last one, and you have to download. It will take some time. So after downloading, what you have to do, if you go for direct installation, there will be error because it's an compressed file. So once you download it, locate your download folder. Let me open my download folder first. So this is the download folder where I have downloaded this software. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to extract these files. This is compressed file. So you can see here compressed zip folder. So if you open with Windows here itself, it will not install still because still it is in zip format. So what you have to do, you have to extract this at different location. So maybe you are using any extractor, no problem. So you extract this. So for example, I extracted this and I have given here different path. Just browse it and give some path, some folder path. Maybe you can create one folder and you extract all the files as it is into the new folder. Okay. So what I did, I extracted this on my desktop. So I will not extract again. So I'll cancel this and I'll go to the folder where I have extracted this file. So I have extracted here on my desktop in this Elvis folder. So open this, then again open this. So you will find icon in the name of Elvis. This icon, is it visible? This icon, can you see, or it is still small? Can you see now this icon?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
This application file. Only thing, only precaution you have to take here, don't leave anything behind, extract all it is in new directory. That's it. Once you extracted it, just double click on this Elvis icon. Say less than minutes time, it will get installed. And once it is installed, let me go out of this Zoom. Okay. Once it is installed, automatically you will get this window, this screen. Okay, so this is the software interface. Automatically it will open, right? You can create your desktop icon also if you required, or you can fit into your toolbar. It is not the trial version. It you can use for long term also. No license, nothing is required. Just install it, and it will be available on your system. Okay, clear? So you can try on your own. It will open. Okay, now coming to the QGIS, I got some messages that some of you have joined later on. So I'll just give a simple demo here. So I hope everyone is having QGIS. So what we were exploring different key functionalities of this software. It's a very simple, user friendly and big software. So interface looks small, but you have many functionalities, almost all the functionalities which you can do with your proprietary software like ArcGIS, then ADAS Imagine, Geomatica, and others. So here in this software, you will get the GUI by default, or you may get few more map view windows here. You can use that if required to display different layers in different windows. Okay, so this is your title bar where you will get your project's name. Right now nothing is displayed, so it's showing exercise 13. Last time I might have added this something. So this is your title bar. This is your main menu bar. You can see project, edit. So layers, you can go here layer. For example, if you are using this layer button, then you will be having different functionalities here. Like you can create new layer if you want to create a, for example, new shape file. So you can create here new shape file, new shape file. Then this menu will open. So you will give some name to this new shape file. Say for example XYG. I have given name. Then different information you have to fill according to your project. Then you have to give the projection system, which projection you want, or you can import some of the already projected layers also. You can just import the coordinate system of that layer and you can give the projection to this layer. I'm not doing here. So once you did this, then you can say okay at the bottom and you can create new layer. Similarly, in the layer you can add the layer. If you have existing say vector or raster layer, you just go into the add layer. Then you can search where Where is the layer? You can just set. I don't know what is there. I have some land use shape. I don't know whether it will open or not. Just I will try to add. So in this way, you can add the layers. Let me get rid of this and open new one. Okay, let me add again layer. So some layer has added here. Two times I have added. So this way you can use this layer. So these are important. Similarly, you can add some raster also from here. Then you can do some settings. You can add plugins if I want to analyze this layer. I need some certain plugins. So I will go come back to the plugin menu. Okay, then you can have some raster calculator, some functions were over the raster. Okay, so this way you can use this main menu. This is main menu, and below that you have different functions toolbars. Okay, so you can add, you can delete these two different functions. So for your particular project you require certain functions, you can bring and you can keep it here. Okay, so this is the legend. This where we add the soil drainage layers. This is the legend where your all the layers will be displayed. You can check in these layers. If you don't want this layer, you can just keep it here, but you can just check in, so that layer will be displayed. Or if you want to remove from the display, you can just check it again, so it will go away from the display, but layer will be here. Similarly, this will be your map view. All the maps will be displayed here. Okay, so you can pan it, you can zoom it. Similar, all the different, you can do the different views here. You can zoom it, you can pan it, you can see its latitude, longitude, or coordinates in this below bar. You can see it, status bar. This is called status bar. If I move my cursor, so its coordinates are getting changed. Similarly, if I want to see at a particular scale, so I can choose that particular scale here. See, I want to see at 1 is to say uh, 50,000 scale. So I can see at 1 is to 50,000 scale. So if you print at 1 is to 50,000 scale, it will look similar. Similar, you can change at any scale if you want. So accordingly, it will change. So this is the general overview of the QGIs, right? Is it okay, Nitish? Fine.
Sir, from where we get those layers?
These layers, see, right now I don't know why I have taken from my system, but these layers, there are two ways to get it. One is you can create your own data, own layers, maybe by interpreting some satellite data or some GPS points or some scanned images. You can create your own data. That is one source. Another source is that you can download the data which is available over websites. There is huge database available in the open source domain. You can directly download it, and we are going to do it in coming exercises. You can directly download it. This is another source. Third one is you can procure, you can purchase from some of the department like Survey of India, You can purchase some of the data like toposits, digital toposits, or you can purchase from say NRSC, National Remote Sensing Center. So you can purchase from them. So there are agencies where we can purchase the data. There are websites from where we can download the data free of cost. And the another way we can create our own data. So these are the way where we can get the data. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So if you have any doubt, you can raise. This is very introductory exercise, and I expect that each one of is able to open the software, able to see its different options, menu options, like where it is. If you are not able to use, but you should know, I want to open a particular file. So which the menu will help me? I want to see the scale. Which is the menu that will help me? I want to see my differently open layers. So where I can get that? So that list will be in the legend. So these are the basic functionalities. If you know, then where I can get the particular plugin. Okay, plugin part I will again explain for the colleagues who joined late. So you in the main menu you will have this plugin button. So for any analysis, for most of the analysis, or at least for advanced analysis, we require particular plugin. So that plugin will help to analyze the data. So we have to go to the plugin and you have to select manage and install plugin. So oh, my screen, I hope it is visible. Huh? So once we click on the
Your
this
screen is
one
not
manage,
visible. Your screen is not shared, sir.
not shared. Okay, no problem. I'll share it again.
Sir, at one point you mentioned when you were explaining the toolbars that we can add and delete functions in the toolbar. So that is through the plugins or through some other,
No, no, no.
what did you mean?
See, my screen is visible.
No, it's
Yes, it
not,
is
sir.
visible.
No.
Okay, wait, it will come. Now it
Yes,
is
sir. Yes.
visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. As I told, it's very user-friendly software, and if you are using MS Office, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, you can easily manage with this software, even if you don't know any of the option. So be confident. You can dig down the option and you can get it even without reaching to the help and reaching to the Google also. Because it's very user-friendly. I told if you want to add the toolbar, just right click here. You can see. Can you see this different toolbars, panels? You can manage from here. Okay. Just check in like I'm checking layer styling. See this. Can you see the change? Layer styling is added here. Now let me remove it. So it went up. So simply just right click it, select whatever function you want. You can add on your menu bar and toolbars. Only thing here, few of the these buttons will be static. You cannot remove it. You cannot add it. Like SCP, you can add. Processing, you can add. Help will be as it is. So accordingly, you based on your requirement, see instead of every time going and bringing the options, you can just put a button here. So click and use. Simple. Okay. So now for the plugins, you just click on the plugin, manage and install. So you will get the this plugin box here. So in this plugin window, if you want to install, just click on the installation. You you will get the installed plugins here, and if the required plugin is not there, you just search here, search with some of the key names. So it it will give you the list of plugins. Just so I have typed some three letters. So it is giving the plugins available related to this. Okay, and if you don't know the exact what the keywords are there, so you just click here on not installed. So you will get the list of the plugins which are not installed but available with this software. So there are many hundreds of plugins, or you can go click on the all. You will get the all the plugins installed as well as not installed. Okay, so you select the plugin here and click install plugin. It will install. If the plugin is already installed, you just update also particular plugin, or you can update all plugins in one go. All installed plugins will be updated. Fine. So this is the plugin menu. I hope you are okay with this basic setup, basic understanding, basic knowledge of the software. Any doubt? If anyone is having, let me know.
Sir, for example,
Okay.
if I have hello.
Yes, yes. Go ahead.
Sir, suppose, like you said, that if we create a shape file, we can also
Hmm.
import the coordinate system of an existing shape file. So I was thinking, normally the route is basically we check the coordinate system in the rightmost status bar. Suppose I have a existing shape file and I check the coordinate system from the status bar in the from the extreme right, and then impose the coordinate system on the new. So how I can do this step, and once that if I understand your point, that if I have an existing shapefile's coordinate system, I can simply take that without checking and
Okay, actually, there are two ways. Without, say, when you are creating a save file, you can define its projection system there itself while creating. So that defining, either you can define manually. You have to write um, min and max of x and y, and you can define there itself. Then you have to define its projection, whether it is LCC or whatever you want. So you can define manually there itself. This is one part. If you are not defining and you are creating the file, for example save file you have created, and it you have not given any projection system, still you can create the save file. So when you see its status bar, it will display in basic units, like it will display the coordinates in the form of meter or feet, whatever default you have kept in the your QGIS software. So it will display. And later on, if you think no, I have to define the its coordinate system, then also you can define. You can import some other files which is already there in your project. You have defined the coordinate system there, projected file, so you can import its coordinate system, and that can be used to your the new file or the file which is not projected. That can be easily done, no problem in that.
so
So it's
that was through
either way
that same.
generally. Yes, yes, go ahead.
Yeah, please, please, sir, you please. I sorry I interrupted.
Yeah, just go ahead, let me listen your query.
Yeah. So when we were creating a new shapefile, also we were selecting the coordinate system. So suppose I
Hmm.
would rather take the coordinate system of an existing file. So what was the option to uh, to as it is take the coordinate or the projection from another shapefile through the same add create shapefile option?
No, why? See, I'll show you both the options. Mm, See, for example, I am create new layer. Say I am creating new save file. Okay, so this new save file, you give some name, you give some geometry type. It's either line, point, polygon, whatever it is as per your need, and then you have to define the, because it's a raw file, you have to give the coordinate system. Either you can define your own here, because see it is showing it require coordinates. Either you define here your own, or if you have one file already projected in your system, you can use this and you can import, right?
I see. So that next to the exclamation mark, that button,
Yeah, yeah, this
through
one.
that we have to.
You can import this. You can import directly if you have already projected file of the same project. You know, these are my coordinate systems. See, because this is very critical. Coordinate give projecting the file is a very critical and important activity. If you make a small error also, and if you are using different layers, say you are using 50 layers in your project, different layers, vector and raster, and one of the layer is having different projection system or different even the coordinates also. So they will not overlay properly. There will be error,
Yeah.
and there will be problem in overlaying also, because if they are not having the same coordinate system, same projection system, they will not talk with each other. So if you display one layer in a view, another layer will go out of your view. For that, we should have the same exact same projection system, all the parameters, then there will no problem. So best way is to import the existing projections and assign to the new file. So that is the right way and easiest way also. Okay.
Yeah, I think that can be easily obtained through the recently used that list.
Yeah, yeah, yes. Or maybe I can
Thank
say
you.
for the first file in your project, say if you are having live project, you create one layer, first layer precisely, and then use that layer for rest of all the layers. So there will not be any problem and errors. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank
Yeah.
you.
So maybe 004 students they are having Elvis. Same thing, just yeah, I have to share manual with all, no? Those who are not having. Let me put in the chart.
004 is available online, sir, but 104 is not available.
104 is not available. You don't have a hard
Yeah,
copy
zero.
also?
No, hard copy also did not
104.
come along. No, hard copy also did not come along with the other books. 10, the theory courses hard copy came, but not the 104 for me at least.
Okay,
And
I'm sharing
the
the
online.
exercise 7.
Oh,
Okay, let me check where I have stored, no? No, it is not allowing here.
Exercise 7 of 104, right, sir?
हाँ हाँ exercise 7 of 104.
Yeah.
No option to share the file here. Okay, I don't find any option to share file. So how can I share with you all?
Sir, if
If
it's
you like, sir,
uploaded
I
in the
can.
Google Drive,
Where it is uploaded?
yeah, you may speak. Whoever was speaking.
So if
Are you sure?
everyone is comfortable, I can create a WhatsApp group for this course, sir.
That would be really helpful, actually. Yes.
Upload to WhatsApp group. Okay, Julie. So this is my WhatsApp number. Can anyone just ping to me so that I can put on this? I can share with him or her.
I
Okay,
just sent you
Abhimanyu,
one
I am
message, sir.
sharing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just I'll
Yeah.
share with you. Document.
I just created a group also, PGDGI 2025. If I'm just seeing if I can get the group link.
Okay, I have shared with two of you. You can again group. If you want any more material, let me know.
Abhimanyu, if you can just share the WhatsApp group link in the chat, then we can
Yeah,
join.
I just yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
So I've shared the file in the group for everyone.
Okay, you could have told it. I thought everyone is having the code with you. Okay, so everyone got now.
Yes, sir.
First of all, hope you are installing or install. You install it, explore the functionalities. Also, those who want to explore the QGIS, you can explore, and maybe you can have your lunch in between, and then again we'll connect at 2. So I will be around, but not talking with you. You explore and have lunch in between, because there the another session is also back to back. So you have lunch, and then 2 o'clock we'll start the another session, right? Is it fine?
Sure, sir. And sir, Google Earth would be also there, right?
Yeah, yeah. In the afternoon session we can see that Google Earth also. So by that time you finish, if you have any query, we can again discuss, no problem. But you finish this, and then we'll start new one at 2 o'clock. Finish your lunch
Thank
also
you.
in between, so that we can continue then. Okay.